You absolutely can't ignore this. With just one platform, you can solve 90% of your VMS problems even without an IT background. This isn't a gimmick. It's real. Meet the one solution changing how security teams operate, the ACTi VMS Support Platform. First, let's talk about the hands-on tools for non-IT personnel. The ACTi VMS Support Platform is designed so that even security guards and admins without technical backgrounds can independently manage setup, integration, and recovery. Whether you're at a building control center, a school security office, or a factory's central command room, the step-by-step guidance empowers users to act instantly. Say goodbye to waiting for IT support. Now your team can take charge, save time, and respond to emergencies faster. Next up, the comprehensive troubleshooting utility. From version 3.0.16.23 onward, ACTi built in a diagnostic tool that automatically generates 7 detailed system reports, including specs, service status, SQL database health, and device connection information. In environments like school IT rooms, factory monitoring stations, or commercial server racks, this tool is a game changer. When something breaks, you don't just report it, you pinpoint it. Support becomes faster, more accurate, and less frustrating. Third, we have the self-service database recovery tool, DB Builder, available from version 3.0.16.29. When a hard drive disconnects or footage becomes unavailable, users can scan and rebuild the recording database instantly. Imagine discovering gaps in footage after a night patrol in your factory. No need to panic. With DB Builder, your data comes back in minutes. For schools, factories, and offices, this tool is a frontline defense against video loss. Last but not least, extensive video tutorials and documentation. ACTi provides step-by-step training for everything: initial setup, license activation, SMTP configuration, on-VIF camera integration, CMS connection, and more. For new hires in schools, factories, or commercial security, these resources dramatically reduce training time. Knowledge becomes power, and everyone on the team becomes more capable, confident, and independent. System integrators often default to Milestone or similar big names. But let's be honest, why stay locked into expensive platforms? ACTi offers a complete support solution with better usability, clearer workflows, and more self-reliant tools. And here's the best part, it's 50% cheaper than Milestone and comes with 0 annual maintenance fees. That's right, pay once, support forever. For SIs, that means higher margins. For your clients, it means freedom and reliability. Click the link below now and see how the ACTi VMS support platform transforms your operations.